Hello guys, welcome to another video of the SASS Bite-Sized Tutorial, and in this video we're going to be looking at nesting in SASS. Alright guys, so we're back in VS Code, and as you can see in this document, you've probably noticed that there's a clear nested and visual hierarchy. So you've got the nav here, you've got the UL inside that, and then inside the UL you've got 3 list items, and then 3 anchor tags inside the list items. Now CSS on the other hand doesn't have this hierarchy, so typically if you wanted to style the LI or even the anchor tags, we'd have to first grab the UL and then grab the LI. So let's just say we'll give this a display of inline block, and then we want no list style, so say none, and then say padding 20 just to give them a bit of space. And that's how we'd grab the list items. And if we wanted to do this same for the anchor tags, we'd first have to put UL, LI, and then A. So now we grab the anchor tags, so nested selectors. And let's just say for this one, we don't want any text decoration, but set that to none. And let's say we want it to be the color of green. And let's just all make them uppercase. So text transform uppercase. And that's how we'd have to grab nested selectors inside our HTML with normal CSS. But with SASS, what SASS does is let you nest your selectors in a way that follows the same sort of visual hierarchy as HTML. So the way we can write it in SASS is just quite simply put in the UL followed by the curly braces, and then inside here we can put the LI, and we can give the exact same styling. So this display inline block, list style none, and let's just give him a bit of space. And then underneath this, so we're still inside the UL here, so we're nested inside the UL. We can grab the anchor tags, a text decoration none, change the color to green, and let's give him a text transform of uppercase. And you can see we get the exact same stylings if we were using normal CSS, and that's because everything we've nested in our CSS basically works in the same way as if we were styling them in CSS using nested selectors. And to demonstrate this further, if we go into our style.css, you can see it's following the same pattern as we did before. And using this type of nesting is a really great way to organize your CSS and make it more readable. Now another cool thing we could do is nest pseudo classes. So let's just say we wanted to add an hover effect to the anchor tags, so when we hover over them they change color, we can, and we do this using the and symbol. So I'm going to go inside the anchor tag here and say and, followed by a colon, and say hover, and let's just say when we hover over this we want the color to be red. If we hover over the list items, you can see it changes color, and we've nested a pseudo class inside an already nested element. But just a pre-warning guys, that nested rules are super helpful, but they can also make it hard to visualize how much CSS you're actually generating. So the deeper you actually nest, the more bandwidth it takes to serve your CSS, and the more it takes your browser to render it. So don't go too deep into your nesting, try to keep it simple, and that's how we can use nesting in SASS. But that's it for this video guys, and as always, if you did like the content, please hit the like button, and please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to be looking at partials and imports.